Are you looking for a product or products that blur, hydrate, and smooth your skin? Well, this was my first time using any Danessa Myricks products, and I am so impressed, but I'm not gonna hold you too long. Let's get into the video. All right, friend, let's get into this look. I am so excited to try these products out. So first, we're going to be starting with the Danessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. It says face and eyes, and this is the packaging. I think it's so pretty. I love brown, hence the background in my outfit. I love brown. So it comes packaged in plastic, so I have to take that off first. I was so excited to review this. I have been doing good lately, friend. I have been waiting to use my product. Well, I waited to use this product to show you. Now, when I went into the store, it was something that I had been wanting, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try it out. But you know how it is when you go into a makeup store, there's so many things that pop out at you that you want. But anyway, back to the point, I got this. I did hear a lot of people saying that they were trying to find the right shade. So I was thinking, is that like an issue? But when I went, I feel like I found the right shade pretty quickly, and I got the number 9. So we're gonna see if that's the right shade for me. So cute, look at this. Isn't that so pretty? Okay, so let's read a little bit about it. It says it's a texture reducing, coverage boosting, blurring balm to powder that balances oils throughout the day while maintaining hydration. It's powered by cutting edge blurring Swedish technology, and it visually creates a soft focus effect on pores and fine lines. That sounds good. And also, this can be worn as a lightweight foundation, a primer to enhance foundation's longevity, or to set makeup for a blurred matte finish, which is very, very good. So I'm getting a lot out of that. The one thing that's standing out to me is that this is very good if you have very oily skin, because this is going to balance that oil throughout the day, like it said, but you're still not going to be too dry because it provides hydration at the same time. How does that happen? I think that is so cool. And you can use it in different ways, and that's what I love too, because some days you want to have a good primer if you're wearing a more heavy makeup look. Some days you just want to just wear something lightweight. It just seems like it hits all the marks. And honestly, the reason why I wanted to try it is because I had seen so many reviews on it, and the way it was applying to the lovely women's faces was amazing. It looked like skin. And that's what I've been wanting a lot lately. Are you like this? I want it to look like skin. So I'm looking at it. It comes with this little spoon. This is what you scoop it out with. And you can purchase a kabuki brush with this set. Look that up. It's $30. So I didn't get that. So I'm not going to be using that today, but who knows? I might use it in the future, because they were using that brush and it was going on super like smooth with that brush. So I want to see if I can still get that effect with my regular brush. But I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So you twist it open like this, and I'm really hoping, yeah, I can already tell it's my color. You know how you look at something and you just know? This is the color. I think this is going to be my perfect color. So it almost looks so pretty. I don't want to disturb it. I've never wore a foundation like this. So let's just get into it, shall we? So I'm going to use a spoon, and I'm just going to scrape up some like this and then put it on my face. So does that look like that's my color? Oh, so you just kind of like that. Does this look like my color? I think it does. Okay, let's just go ahead and blend this in to see what it does. But automatically, it's so creamy. Oh, wow. You know, this reminds me of a cream foundation. My mom used to always wear cream foundations, and I feel like they kind of aren't used a lot, but this is basically what that is, I'm thinking now. Look at that. It just dissolved. Okay, let me go ahead and apply some more all over. This is so neat. Yeah. Whoa. I used a lot. I'm getting excited. But this is so neat. You don't have to dip your finger inside, you know? So I'm just gonna, let's just go for it. And we're just gonna smooth that in. Oh, this is so pretty. I can definitely see how this could just be worn as a foundation. I'm gonna bring it down over my neck. It has like a smell to it, and I can't describe what it is. It's not like a fragrant smell. Kind of like a chemical smell, but not really bad because I can barely smell it. I just got a whiff. And where did it go? Yeah, just like a little whiff. And I like that. I have products that have fragrance in it, but you know, fragrance can make you break out. So when products don't have a lot of fragrance, I really do enjoy that. That looks really good. And you know what? Why wouldn't I wear this as a foundation? Like, I feel like, what more coverage do I need? How many ounces is this? Okay, this is a 0.63 ounce. Wow. I mean, I definitely feel like this is my color spot on. So if you are my complexion, number 9, okay? Number 9. I don't want to waste any more of this. I'm trying to put the rest. It's so pretty. It's like really, really pretty. And right now it's giving like a glow. I do have a hydrating primer on underneath, but it's giving me like a slight like satin glow. And I don't know if that's from the primer, but whatever it's doing, it's really good. So it says that this blurs pores. And like I said, I don't have like a lot of texture in my skin, but I do have texture. Everybody's skin has texture. If you look really close to my skin, you can see like little bitty tiny bumps, and I have like little bumps here and there. I'm just saying everybody's skin has texture. If not, then it's probably photoshopped. But if you have an issue with like pores, I remember at one point I was getting a few pores on the tip of my nose, but if you have issues with deep pores and you just want your skin to be blurred, you want to blur that texture, they said this is what this balm is for. I honestly don't see, this is just me. I honestly don't see how I would need any foundation on top of this. Now they do have a universal shade that is like clear, so it doesn't matter, but I did want the tint because I would love to just put this on and go. It comes in 15 shades. Let me show you really quick. These are the shades, so there's a lot of different ones to choose from just depending on your complexion. And this does retail for $36, which I don't think is bad. Foundations can get really expensive, and to me this is a foundation. I am going to put the Yummy Skin tint on top just because, but I feel like I wouldn't even have to do that. So, but let me just break here and say thank you to all of you new subscribers that are here. Thank you to all of the old subscribers. Friends, sisters is what you are. Thank you so much for being here. I wanted to share something with you because I had this conversation earlier. Do you know that we are an ambassador for Jesus? You know how there's all these makeup brands and you want to be the ambassador, or you're the one that represents the brand, and like there's such a, everybody wants to be one. Everybody wants to represent a brand. I was like, we are Jesus ambassadors. It doesn't get better than that. To represent Jesus, that is what I am. So I will proudly say, if anyone asks me, like, what do you do? What is the goal of your channel? I am a Jesus ambassador. Yes, I am. I love sharing the love of Jesus Christ through makeup and beauty and natural hair and all that stuff. But that's not only for me, that's for you. Like going on after this video is over, just remember that you are an ambassador for Jesus. That means, you know, you hear all the influencers raving about the product, you know, like this product is that, this product is that. That's what we should be doing about Jesus's word. He can heal, he can deliver, he can set you free. This is what he did for my life. You know, this is how the foundation looks on my face. Oh, this is what he's done in my life. This is how he's brought me out. Just being an ambassador for Jesus, because all this stuff is going to fade away. It's going to expire. I'm gonna wipe this off. We're all gonna die one day and stand before Jesus. And that's what truly matters, is how you represented Jesus while you were here on earth. So that's just so important. And I just wanted to share that with you. And it made me actually excited even about just what I'm doing in my channel, because I'm always like, I don't want to just talk about makeup or hair and have no substance to what I'm saying. You know, every time you have a conversation with somebody, you want them to leave feeling empowered, getting value from what you're talking about. And if anything you get from this channel, I want you to get Jesus and how he can be a blessing to your life, how you can pursue your passions. Like mine is makeup and beauty and all of that. But with Jesus, he's so amazing, and don't be ashamed to tell the world about him, because this stuff on social media is going to fade. It's going to fade away. But what won't fade away is your spirit and your relationships with people and your character, how you respond to God's word and obey God's word. And if you are not a Christian, I just hope you leave with Jesus today. That's the main thing. He loves you. He has a plan for your life. And it's no coincidence that you're on this video right now. You know, God orders our steps. I know that he does, because every day I'm like, I can't make this stuff happen. He truly takes over your life and orders your steps. So I just wanted to share this with you because it's really on the forefront of my mind, because I do a lot of reviews. I'm on social media and I'm doing shorts and I'm doing all of this, you know, testing out all this makeup, and it's fun, but it's not what's the most important thing in life. And that is being an ambassador for Jesus. And he will allow you to do what you love to do, because that's what I'm doing right now. He's so good. He will allow you to do your passions, but just don't do anything without him. So we're going to move on next to the Yummy Skin Serum Skin Tint. This says to hydrate, smooth, and correct. And this is what that packaging looks like right here. And let's see, what does this say this does? It says this skin loving sheer coverage tinted serum is infused with hydrating, smoothing, and correcting ingredients. And I'm like, what more do I need after that balm? Squeeze, swirl, tap onto face, and blend in with brush or fingertips. And I purchased the number 13 of this skin tint. And let me just open it up for you to see what it looks like. And my husband was with me. I highly recommend shopping with your husband. Because I was like, I'm just going to get the balm. He was like, why not get both? And not only did he do that, he opened the drawer underneath. I was so embarrassed. But I was so happy, because the one they had out was a 13, and he could tell somebody opened it and I really didn't want it. And he was like, here, just like he was a worker. I'm so grateful for him though. And now I can't even open this box. Okay, we got it open, and this is what the packaging looks like. I love that the both of these are like lightweight. I feel like you could travel with this very easy, because it's not in a glass bottle. If you have to go to the airport, you don't have to worry about it. I don't think, I mean, it's 1.58 fluid ounces. So it's very good to travel with, throw in your purse on the go. But we're gonna try this on. I'm just gonna like drizzle this, and I'm hoping this is my complexion, because I literally just kind of looked while I was there and guessed. But yeah, this is very similar to that balm I just put on. I don't need a lot of this because of the coverage that I already have. And I really want to do this because not everyone's skin is the same. You might want to wear that balm as a primer, and you might need a little bit more coverage. And maybe I'll want to do that one day. And I just want to see how it looks, because they said that you can apply a foundation over top of the balm. So just blending that in, wow, that's, this is the perfect shade. This does not happen always, and you already know how it is picking out foundation. I do not like to return foundations. I just want to get the right shade the first time, and that's what happened, and I'm so excited. Like, look at this. And this is pretty too. I actually want to try this foundation out. I already know by itself without the balm underneath. It's getting glowier, but so natural looking. This is beautiful. And how much was this one? Okay, yes, this skin tint is $36 as well. That is not a bad price for foundation. Foundations can get up there like 50, 60, 70, 80 and up, depending on the brand. And for this smoothness, I'm gonna stop there and just let's look. Let's look. Wow. I just put it on, so I know it has to dry down, but as of now, it's giving me a glow, a beautiful glow. And like I said, I did have a hydrating primer underneath, but this glow is being amplified, so I know that it's because of the product. Let me see. My face, I'm doing that to see if it's gonna crease any. But right now, my face seems so smooth. That's like the main thing. It says here, it's a hydrating and smoothing skincare infused skin tint. I love a skincare infused skin tint because I recently, over the past 2 or 3 years, have really got my skin routine down. My face has not been this clear in so long, and I cannot wait to share that video with you. That's gonna be coming up soon, my skincare routine, because that really makes all the difference in your makeup application. But you don't want to mess that up once you're getting your skin together, you know? So sometimes foundations can break you out and things like that. But I love when they're infused with skincare ingredients. They say the coverage of the skin tint is light, the finish is radiant. See, yes, that's the radiance. It's like I have highlighter. And this skin tint comes in 16 flexible shades that are optimized to address redness and unevenness for all skin tones. So basically what I'm getting from this first impression is that these two products, they do it all. Everything that you could want in a foundation, this is what it is doing, and I'm literally seeing it right now. So of course I'm gonna have to wear this, you know, and see how it wears throughout the day, but my first impression is this is beautiful. I feel like this is the perfect color, and the only thing next to do is put on a full face and see how it blends in with all of my makeup. Let's go. And here we are. I like it. I like it a lot. Where do we begin? I feel like it really paired well with all of my other makeup products. I am really impressed. Let me get a little closer so we can see together. Yes, I feel so glamorous. And what I love is I use the balm and the tinted serum, right? I don't feel like it's heavy on my skin. So it's definitely lightweight. It doesn't feel cakey. It doesn't feel like, ooh, I can just feel my makeup on, because I don't like that. But this does not feel that way. There was great coverage, and I'm just really impressed. I think in the future, honestly, I'm gonna wear the balm by itself, and then I want to test to see how this tinted serum looks on its own. So let me know down below if you want another video of me just showing you what the serum looks like by itself. But this combo is beautiful. I feel like this is perfect for a flawless, natural look. But if you want like a natural glam, that's what I have on today. I feel like this is a natural glam. This is a perfect duo for you. So friend, if you found this review helpful, please give me a thumbs up before you leave and hit that subscribe button so you can join this beautiful community. It is the most beautiful community here on YouTube because you are here, and once you join, you're going to see the comments are beautiful. There's so many beautiful ladies and sisters and friends here, and that's what I love so much. So it truly is the most beautiful community here on YouTube. Let me know down in the comments if you've tried either of these products. What did you think? What were your opinions on them? And share this video with someone that loves makeup as much as we do. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and as always, I love you, Jesus loves you, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, friend.